Hi, Deepa here from Purna Wellbeing, and I'm here to share a quick de-stress tip with you. Stress is here to stay. But what can we do to manage this better? The technique is called unplug from your energy drainers. Every single day, take out 5 minutes from your schedule to plug in to your energy enhancers. Could be being in nature, could be being with yourself, reading something, praying, or anything that gives you energy. Or, better still, just do nothing. It can be initially difficult. You may have to schedule it in your life, but you'll realize that those 5 minutes would give you energy for the rest of the day. Unplug and plug into your energy enhancers. Try it.